Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clean your phone in 1 minute and speed up Android. So if your Android phone running slow, in just 1 minute, I'll show you how you can clean and speed it up instantly. No apps, no hassle. So everyone has Slack, but here's a quick tutorial to free up space, boost speed, and make your Android feel brand new. So the first step that you can do is clear the background apps. You can just open your recent app list. Here I'm going to use this button and my recent apps list will be show up like this, and you can just swipe up or click on this cross button to close all apps you are not using, and this will instantly free up RAM. Next one, storage clean, no app needed, so you can just go to the settings on your phone, and here you'll find these storage options. You can scroll down until you find this option, RAM and storage, and now we can just wait until the files is ready like this and click on manage storage right here. So it will be scanning the junk files. So all you need to do next is just delete the cache and also the junk files. You don't need to worry because it's safe. And you can also just clear the cache for heavy apps like TikTok, Instagram, or Chrome. And speed boost trick, you need to enable the developer options first on your phone. So in my case in here, I'm going to go to the system management in here and find the developer option. Enable that and turn off the reduce the animation scale, and your phone will feel 2 times faster without actual hardware changes. And for bonus quick tips, you can try to restart your phone once a week and keep at least 15% storage free. Or you can also use Files by Google if you want automatic cleaning. And that's how you can clean and speed up your Android phone in just 1 minute. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.